Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. Today I have a 2024 Nissan Rogue and I will show you which fuses to check in case your headlights are not working. This video should apply to third generation of Nissan Rogue made from 2021 all the way up to 2026. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. Okay, now the fuses you want to check will be in the main fuse box under the front hood next to the battery right here. To remove the cover, you will have two black tabs down there, one on this side and one on the opposite side. So you want to press these and lift up and do the same on the other ones. Okay. Once you remove the cover, on the back side of the cover you will also have a small fuse diagram and here access to all of the fuses. And the fuses you want to check, so this is your left headlight and this is your right headlight. So these are the ones to check. If these fuses are good, then of course you want to check all of the light bulbs, you want to check the wiring towards the headlights, test if the power is coming and things like that. But first things first, check the fuses. Thank you for watching my video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.